Here is how to set up automated emails in Monday.com. Hit Automate in the top right. Creating one from the scratch, tap Create Custom Automation. You can add what kind of automation you want. Clicking when this happens, the system will suggest you on what trigger you want to set. Like example, when status column changes to done or anything, then you'll choose what action will take. If you wanted to send email or Gmail or just notify you or your team in a different platform. Board automation will show all automation created for this board. Also, Automation Center have suggestions of triggers and actions that you can customize too. And that is how you set up automated emails in Monday.com.